So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a new droppy or 90 right here. The old one was a solder fitting, so it was wrought fitting on both sides, and so, which is fine. It sat in there like this, soldered on top. The stub out, as you can see right in here, you see that white line. You see the silver solder, and then like a white line that's from the hard water. So they only had the copper stubbed in there about 1/4 of an inch, maybe not even that. And you can see that it's supposed to go all the way to the back of the fitting back in there. And so because it was just right on the end, unfortunately, they leaned on the spout just a little bit, and the whole pipe just popped out of there. And so, so we just cut it, took the block out, got it screwed back in. These are nice 3-inch screws here. Screw the block in, and of course, put this together first. Down here, there's a screw on each side, so that's holding it in, and then soldered a threaded fitting in here, and so that way, moving forward, if you change tub spouts later on and you have trouble with that one, feel free to take the old, or we can take the old. Actually, it's a new tub spout we give you in there. Take it off, unscrew this, put a nipple in, and get a just full brass nipple in there instead. So we tried to take the spout apart, the old one, unscrew it so we could use a brass nipple, but it wouldn't come out, and so we didn't want to damage the new one. So we just slid it back on. So it's the same mounting system with the exception of this is soldered all the way in. We know that because we soldered it, and then this is screwed in. So it's pretty sturdy. Now keep in mind, it's a long spout. This is the Eva trim on the other side of the wall, and I'm not going to go around and take a video on that side, but same thing we've got at our house. And it's an extremely long spout. Most spouts, I think they're like 4.5, right around there. Can't remember. This one's 7, like 8 inches long, sticks out real far. And of course, my grandson lives with us, and he's 10, 11, and he's been in that bathtub, since he was little, and he likes to lean on that thing too. So just don't lean on it; you should be fine. Anyways, you want to get a document of that. So we'll solder the fitting back in here. Got the block in. We've tested it, run water through it. Your valve is sticking. The handle, it's real hard to turn that handle on and off on the other side. So it sounds like you need a new cartridge in there, and it's certainly something you can do on your own. We can send you a tutorial if you'd like, but you just pull the cartridge out, put a new one in, and you're done. Because that handle in there, you should be able to take one finger and open it and close it. You've got to grab it and really work it. So if you leave it like that for too long, eventually you'll snap that off, and then you'll have a leak there. So anyways, everything looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.